Ayo, ayo. Waduh.
Hey. Query, Pak. Iya. Iya. Depan. Dua aja ya? Dua. Udah. Ada.
What the hell is that, bro?
Apa insight-nya, Pak? Apa insight-nya?
Insight apa tuh?
Apa yang Bapak dapatin?
Ya bagus lah.
Bagus.
Nah,
Tidur.
belum pernah saya. Waktu kecil mah ngerti SMP. Yang di atas itu tuh saya belum pernah.
Apa?
Yang di atas
Belum pernah.
belum pernah.
Tadi baru pertama kali.
Iya,
Subhanallah. Sejarah, Pak.
sejarah.
Saya dulu waktu ini masih bisa naik langsung situ, Pak tuh.
Hah?
Enggak lewat bawah.
Iya, dulu mah gitu. Maksudnya naik ke atas itu. Jalan. Kan dulu namanya PRJ, Pekan Raya Jakarta tuh. Semua pada kesini. Sekarang namanya Jakarta Expo ya. Kemayoran prima sekarang.
Enggak, Pak. Kalau PRJ itu yang di depannya sini, Pak.
Yang dulu namanya apa ya? Yang di mana sih? Saya lupa ya.
Iya, itu dia beda, Pak. Ini PRJ-nya. Maksudnya PRJ-nya kan sekarang lagi itu dipisah tuh, jadinya di sana yang di Kemayoran itu.
Iya, sebelum di Kemayoran itu di sini.
Iya, cuman
Namanya apa gitu ya?
itu, Pak. Beda itu.
Apa namanya?
Lupa saya juga lagi, Pak. Pas masih ribuan copet di mana-mana.
Iya itu. Saya kan kepisah sama rombongan tuh, bingung saya pulangnya gimana itu.
Wah, itu berarti udah ditempelin tuh, Pak. Biasanya dipisahnya begitu tuh, Pak, rombongan kan.
Aduh.
Wah, satu orang ditutupin tuh semuanya.
Tapi ternyata orang nggak segitu-segitu aja, ketemu teman juga. Ada orang ketemu teman gitu.
Oh.
Bareng gitu.
Banbo.
Kalau di pasar ular lucu itu. Beli barang di ujung barangnya diminta lagi.
Iya. Kamu poncol
Bar itu.
Poncol Senen sini. Dibeli nih di pinggir rel ya. Ntar di depan relnya kita jalan dikit udah dipalak sama premannya, Pak.
Dipintain lagi barangnya.
Iya, besok kita datang lagi lewat toko itu, topinya ada lagi tuh. Kita beli topi.
Dijemur ya polisinya, kasihan ya. Tuh,
Iya.
dijemur itu.
Iya, kerjanya ngomong gitu tuh, Pak. Tinggal itu, Pak.
Sampai kapan itu ya?
Seniornya. Kalau seniornya tinggal lah.
Foto. Cepat foto. Dia enggak akan pulang.
Fast, the people are waiting us. Go صغير and finish fast, أيوة.
Go. Over there.
Down. Closer.
Kayaknya teman-teman kalau sendiri juga
Belum foto di luar, dapat view-nya semua. Betul Pak.
Iya. Untung sempat ngopi tadi. Melek.
Egypt. Tahu musim apa?
Di sini kita langsung ke lubang buaya. Kok ini kayak mau ke arah Istiqlal? Gimana nih? Jadi nggak kan ya?
Kan pemekaran cuma renovasi doang Pak. Nggak ada.
Oh. Dekat pasar.
Ayo guys.
Satu mau jadi ondel-ondel.
Please take photos ya. The last photos. Ya, foto lagi yuk.
Ini suka bawa ember itu kan ya? Ember. Ember. Keliling.
Ada nih kosong.
Hi guys. Ya, nama take photos in Padalonel ya.
Ini siapa yang foto? Ada Dava. Oh ini yang foto ada Itik juga.
Smile guys, smile. Kejauhan. Kiri. Ke tengah aja belum sih. Nah, kalian. One, two.
Ada taharik.
Wah ini kayaknya benar-benar touring ini udah hot ininya ceritanya, hot goalsnya, hot foto.
Enggak, soalnya 5 hari bakar
Iya,
karbo melulu.
bakar coding. Kayaknya saya pas jalan pulang
Ayo.
di sepanjang jalan codingnya lupa.
Please don't press, be careful.
Sudah malam dia ya. Bete. Tadi kan ada sebentar lagi dia ada yang kan lewat ini aksan.
Toilet.
Berapa ibu? Toilet wanita nih lurus aja, yang ada kaca. Ini nih. Ya, untuk rombongan dari Nusa Tenggara Sukabumi kita kumpulin di sini ya. Tolong guys, ya please join in here. Kita terakhir keliling Joraka ya. Soalnya baterainya harus jalan sini. Nggak terlalu dengar. Iya. Harus ganti suaranya. Ini udah semuanya?
Uang pas.
Okay guys, come on. Yeah, join.
Minum dulu.
And this the fisherman, because the shop art, the farmer and the fisherman. Yeah. And do you know the tools in the Indonesian society? Yeah, it means for example, punden rundak, kubur batu, dolmen, and etc. Yeah, stone, from the stone. And located in the Gilimanuk, Bali and Cabana, Sulawesi. Do you have any question?
This place exists in like Bali if you go visit it. So one or just
Bali.
this one that exists like now exists. Exists now or no?
Oh no,
This is the
Just
old
like-
area.
Ah.
Just like Arthropox you find it. So this is this like
So maybe it can be this time this place has been recovered by the water.
we don't know. This is because we are in an old era, so just we are prediction is in Bali is they exist
So
there.
maybe in this area.
But the Bali now, not to
Like this.
It's not to
Only-
Next, this is the port of Sriwijaya, 7th until 13th century. They are from the Chinese, Indian, Indonesian. Yeah, they are selling many things. For example, bitter spice.
Spices, yeah.
Yes. For example, the pepper, and the ginger, etc.
Cinnamon.
During those days they were traders.
Trade.
They do a trade.
Trade, yeah.
Oh, yeah. With the ship.
Like
Yeah.
Indonesia, Chinese, and Indian.
They are to the community, yeah, to the seller.
Unless
What,
you like-
what do you mean? What?
I mean, like, those days, this were the traders, like, between Indonesia.
This was the trade stuff, like the trading stuff between Indonesia, between China trading.
Oh yeah. I have
I
already.
think all the time they do
Yeah.
like a better trade. Sometimes even to extend it can be. Or
Yeah.
Well, you know, even in Africa, there was something like
Jadi perdagangan antara Indonesia dan Cina itu udah
Trade
berlangsung
like
lama.
from
Yeah,
from
coastal trade, you know, coastal trade.
Coastal,
In
yeah.
15th century, we have already connected with China
Oh.
with this kind of
Trade.
yeah trade.
And also connected with, like Middle East countries. like
Yeah, that's the
countries,
Arab
different.
countries
Yeah,
and
yeah.
China's yeah.
India.
And India, yeah.
Yeah.
But the
They
trade
go-
is not to the colonizers.
For trade, yeah.
Yeah, this is the Borobudur Temple.
Borobudur.
Yeah, in Jogja. In Jogja.
Uh,
Magelang,
Central,
Magelang.
Central Java, Magelang. 824. Yeah.
It's Buddhist.
Buddhist, yes, Buddhist religion. They make the Borobudur by the Samaratungga king, from the Sailendra families.
And the family.
Yes, Samaratungga king.
It's built by what stone? Stone. I don't know.
Stone and make the temple. Yes, the year makes the Borobudur. Central Java, near the Yogyakarta, but not Yogyakarta.
Not inside that.
Magelang.
I can tell you.
Have you ever go to the Borobudur?
No.
Not yet. Maybe next time you go to the Borobudur. Borobudur, Prambanan, yeah, Central Java. And this is the Waringin Sabta Dam, 11th century. His name the Airlangga King. Yeah, Airlangga King, and he's the wisdom. Yeah, the people from the Java, East Java, not to pay the pajak ya.
Not pay
Tax,
fees.
yes.
Fees.
Yeah, the free the pay the tax.
Tax for the government. They don't pay.
Government, yes.
This one in Malang, right?
Huh?
Erlangga.
Erlangga.
Malang.
Erlangga.
Malang.
Which area?
Malang.
Malang, yeah.
Yeah. And this is the Brantas River. Yeah, to make the irrigation way.
Berantas.
Next. Yeah, Chawi Temple, blend of Sikhism and Buddhism. Yeah, 1292. Yeah, one temple for two religions, Hindus and Buddhists. Yeah, the white clothes, yeah, the wearing white clothes, yeah, the Hindus, and the yellow clothes, the Buddhists. Yeah. But they are to pray, yeah, by self, yeah, not to the join.
Not together.
Yeah, not together. Located near the Wilerang Mountain, East Java.
Is Java which city?
East Java.
Java, like
Java.
those days of Malang.
Ah, yeah, this
Yes,
area.
Surabaya. Yes, Singosari, Jawa Timur. Next. Yeah, the village of Palapa, 1331. His name the Gajah Mada, viceroy of Majapahit Kingdom. Yeah, the village Natu Palapa before the Nusantara united. Nusantara, the old name, the Indonesia. Nusantara.
This is like before the independence, right? Like this is fighting the independence of the
Yeah, before the independence.
because I see like they're having weapons.
And do you know Nusantara, the map, yeah, join the Malaysia,
Malaysia, Brunei.
Brunei, yeah. But independence of Indonesia, they are to separate.
Separate,
In the location near the Pandaan Mountain.
This Java. So like this place in the port exists? or not?
The port.
Yeah, it exists.
Yeah, the Queen of Majapahit century. The big ship from the Majapahit. Yeah. The first tradition is then for example, Chinese. Yeah, Chinese, the comes and the army, the war with the army Chinese. Must to the
Chinese.
must to the print commission. The print commission.
A war with Chinese, with the Indonesian big war with Chinese, right?
Yes, the war. Because only to protect the
Area, look at the area atau the exit.
next.
Chengho.
Yeah, Chinese envoy to Majapahit 1405. Yeah, Chinese names the Chengho, the very chase yang like souvenir yeah, to Wikramawardhana. Wikramawardhana king from the Majapahit. And the old time there the war and this time
What time they war with Chinese?
the war the 14th century.
Now it's like
Udah semua apa berapa dia tadi?
Udah. Wah, itu
Si Dylan udah bosen deh.
bisa lama nih Prof kalau sampai sama tuh.
Iya makanya kan untuk jam 4
Because the Majapahit located in the East Java. Yeah. The rule of Muslim boarding schools in the United Nations 14th century. They are the studies about the Muslim.
Islamic.
Yes, Islamic. Yeah, maybe for example, Arabic Al-Quran, yeah, dan Salat, pray juga.
it's like the Islamic stuff.
Yeah. Because the Muslim of Islam comes to Indonesia or Nusantara, the first from the Arabian.
Arabian.
Yes, and comes to the Samudra Pasai and Aceh, and spread in Java.
That's how the Islam came in here because Indonesian
Samudra Pasai.
independent from the time.
Symbolize the date independence of Indonesia, ya. Date, the month, and the year independence of Indonesia. Seventeen, ya, account the progress in the May, ya, 17. And account progress in sale, ya, 8, ya, symbolize in August, on August. And the until, ya, account progress 19, ya, and the next account progress 45. So 1945, the year independence of Indonesia.
Kemarin yang kementerian apa yang bikin
And
salah-salah juga?
Pancasila? Ya, Pancasila. Ya, the principle of Indonesia ya. Five principle of Indonesia. The first apa bunyinya? Ya, ketuhanan yang Maha Esa. Believe one God ya. Jadi percaya pada satu Tuhan ya, kepercayaannya. Walaupun kita agamanya banyak ya. Nah, seperti itu. Terus yang kedua apa? Kemanusiaan yang adil dan beradab ya. Civilized and justice ya. Terus yang ketiga, Persatuan Indonesia. United the people of Indonesia. Yang keempat, kerakyatan yang dipimpin oleh hikmat kebijaksanaan dalam permusyawaratan perwakilan ya. The democracy ya, the lead of wisdom ya, two representatives ya. Terus yang kelima, keadilan sosial bagi seluruh Indonesia ya, social and justice. Nah ini lambangnya pertama adalah bintang ya, star. Yang kedua second chain ya, rantai. Yang ketiga third banyan tree. Yang keempat fourth the bullhead. Yang kelima fifth brass and cotton ya. Di sini dia sama beratnya, terbuat dari perunggu dilapisi emas. Berat perunggunya 3,5 ton ya. Bronze ya, weight ya 3.5 tons, and the gold ya 22 kilos. 22 masih sama. Iya. Iya, jadi emang total 72. Jadi kalau di rangka merdeka ini dia semuanya 72. Jadi nggak tahu di mananya, pokoknya totalnya semua 72 gitu. Kenapa?
32 km.
The bronze 3.5 tons. Sorry, pardon?
How much one kilo? Akhirnya keluar juga pertanyaan itu.
Senin harga naik. Bisa naik ke situ tuh. Turunnya bisa nggak itu? Jangan nggak bisa turun lagi, jangan-jangan. Oh iya. Putra.
Udah semua nih ya.
Ini di mana sih? Di atas masih ada lagi nggak ya dari Nusa Putra? Ada.
Ki, masih ada nggak? Udah semua? Ya udah sini foto.
Ya foto bareng.
Auza.
Yang tadi barusan
Habibi, jangan.
Hello guys, everybody please enjoy in here. Yeah. Here. Stand up please. Okay. Good afternoon everybody.
Raisa.
I'm introducing myself. Yeah, my name is Ayu. Yeah, Miss Ayu. I'm from the National Monument. I want to tell about the history National Monument in Tabit. Yeah. If you want to ask or have question, yeah, after I want to tell and you the last I want to tell and you question. Okay, we start. Yeah. National Monument was built in August 17, 1961 until 1967. Yeah. During 6 years to build a national monument or Monas. Yeah. And spend or cost, make the national monument 7 billion rupiah. 7 billion rupiah, the old time, from the people of Indonesia. Yeah. And the more the charity, from Aceh. Yeah. Mr.
the island
Markam.
Aceh.
Yeah. Teguh Markam. From Indonesia, from Aceh.
This is your family, from the family.
Family is belum meninggal sih, masih ada.
Masih ada ya?
Masih ada. Tapi kalau Bapak Teguh Markam sudah pass away. Yeah. Continue ya. And the build national monument Mr. Sukarno, first president of Indonesia. And the first idea from the Mr. Sarwono Martokusumo. And the architect from the Mr. Sudarsono. And the construction built by the Mr. Professor Dr. Engineer Roseno. Yeah, National Monument was opened the public in July 12, 1975 by the Governor DKI Jakarta. His name Mr. Ali Sadikin. Yeah, Ali Sadikin. And the purpose to build the National Monument divided for the first to memorize independence of Indonesia, because the structure in National Monument symbolize the date, the month, and the year independence of Indonesia. And the second symbolize spirit people of Indonesia and fire or being colonized. For example, Japan, and Netherlands, and etc. And the third, to acknowledge new generation about the history of Indonesia. And the fourth, to recreation place. And the build or the room independence, the build or the room national monument divided for again. The first, you call the history museum. History Museum 3 meters underground, yeah, and the weight 80 multiply 80 meters. It has 51 dioramas. Dioramas, it means the miniature, yeah. And the second you call the Independence Room or Independence Hall. The height from under until the Independence Room or Independence Hall 8 meters. Symbolize the month, yeah, the month independence of Indonesia in August. And divided for the different walls, yeah. The first walls you look at the Purador in bahasa Pintu Gapura. You can hear the first recording Mr. Soekarno to read proclamation. Yeah. And next to you look at the Garuda. Garuda symbolize Indonesia, yeah, people of Indonesia. And the third, yeah, you look at the saving flag of Indonesia, but the duplicate flag, not the original. But the original, the keep in the President Palace, not to here. Yeah. And the last, you look at the map of Indonesia, makes the bronze coated gold again. Yeah, the bronze weight the 4 tons and the gold 22 kilos. Yeah. And the third, second floor or goblet. Yeah, we have the stand up in here. Yeah, the second floor or goblet. The height from under until the second floor 17 meters. 70 meters and the weight 45 multiply 45 meters. Symbolize the date and the year independence of Indonesia. And the fourth, the top yard. Yeah. The height from under until the top yard or the peak yard 115 meters. And the weight 11 multiply 11 meters, ya, 11 kali 11 meter. Nah, the totally the height in National Monument 142 meters until the flame of fire indigo. Yeah. And the flame of fire makes the bronze coated gold. The bronze weight the 14.5 tons and the gold 50 kilos. Yeah. Do you have any question about the story National Monument? Ada pertanyaan buat sejarah Monas?
They want to touch the gold.
Nggak bisa untuk listen to.
Question.
Yes.
The gold is only on the top, right? Not all like the first one, only just the top.
Yeah, the top yard and the Independence Room. There is one more in Independence.
Independence Room down.
Just
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
you can look at. You can touch, you want touch. Yeah. I want to see.
Yeah, I want to touch.
Maybe you going to the Independence Room
Yeah.
and you touch it's okay.
Is it like it's fine to go inside?
Sorry, pardon?
It's fine to go inside the Independence Room.
Yeah,
We will go there, right? Ya Bu, ya kita
Yeah.
mau ke sana
To
kan?
memorize the Independence.
I would like to go.
Okay, come on. We are go down. Nggak mau foto-foto dulu?
Foto semua, foto bareng-bareng.
Take photos together, please.
Foto semua.
Ya, boys,
Kalau gas udah langsung.
Iya, udah ngambil posisi.
Enggak ngadep sana.
Sinar back ini apa
Iya. Jadi
backlight.
dari gedung itu mereka.
Fotonya dari sana.
Ada yang duduk lagi? Perlu duduk?
Oh iya, beda di mana ya? Nggak ke bawah ya? Aduh, udah ratusan foto nih rasanya. Udah lelah. Bertubi-tubi fotonya.
Dan
Wow.
oke.
Ya, itu Independence Room.
Going to down, ya, by stairs.
Bagus nggak?
I think the camera is nothing or it's full now.
Gimana Pak, udah kenyang.
Enakan ke sini daripada ke Monas ya? Ke Taman Mini ya?
Iya sih.
Iya. Soalnya udah sering sana ya. Belum pernah.
Akhirnya udah jadi emak baru main ke Monas. Anaknya udah duluan.
Ternyata panjang juga.
Nomor 14.
Oh, ini yang polisi.
Iya, itu. Buat pengamanan dari acara dari gereja gitu. Nanti ada konsernya kalau nggak salah.
Ini pekan ini.
Hari Minggu ini. Ini udah komplit?
Belum ada.
Oh iya.
Sebentar lagi sih sebenarnya.
Kita mau ke ruang kemerdekaan, betul. Kita dengerin suara Bung Karno. Nanti kelilingin lagi ruang kemerdekaan. Udah habis waktunya. Nggak apa-apa sampai ruang kemerdekaan aja. Ini udah semuanya? Udah. Oke. Follow me, please.
Ya pembersihan karena ada pejabat yang
A, ya, the history museum. B, independence room, ya, and C, the top yard, and D-nya top yard. D-nya the flag of fire or the gold. Yang D-nya itu emasnya. Independence room, B.
Yeah.
Yeah, B.
Oh, this side.
Yes. Okay, please going to the independence room. Directly. Yeah. What's your step? Be careful. And do you know upon the stairs in there, ya, 17. 17 ya, hitung ya.
4, 7, 9, 11. Bener ya?
The gold is ya, Jadi 72 total luasnya. Okay, please sit down. Okay, the first I want to tell about the Purador in bahasa Pintu Gapura. Okay, you look at the in front of. Yeah, the Purador, it has two colors, green and gold. Green symbolize the fertility, and the gold symbolize the prosperity. Yeah, and you look at the traffic. Yeah, the traffic like a barong. Yeah, at barong. Yeah, because the Soekarno's mother from Bali. Yeah, barong it means the art from Bali. Yeah, have you ever go to Bali? Yes.
Barong the same that we use the batik in the batik.
Batik no, different. Batik it means the art from Javanese, yes, Java. Maybe the specifically the Central Java ya batik. Yeah. But the barong, yeah, the art from Bali. Yeah, the dance from Bali. Pendek, then a cap, and this is the barong. Barong, yeah, it has two eyes, one nose and one mouth. Yeah. But the mouth that is closed, not to the open ya, because it's maintenance. Ya, masih dalam perbaikan. Jadi hanya bisa dilihatnya seperti ini aja. Ya, if you look the big mouth ya, you look at the field ya, the field the bulletproof. Jadi ada kacanya itu kaca anti peluru. Jadi kalau ditembak tidak bisa. Nah itu melindungi ya, to protect the duplicate proclamation, text proclamation. Jadi melindungi untuk proklamasi, teks proklamasi yang duplikatnya seperti itu. Nah, the shape like cube, ya,
gaban. Mirip.
If you around this area, the philosophy from the Mr. Soekarno, you around like Ka'bah ini.
Kayak Hajar Aswad juga.
Kebetulan kayak Ka'bah tadi, filosofinya kayak Ka'bah. Oh, pantas. Ayo langsung hukum. Gue langsung tawaf bu, tawaf. Iya bener ternyata filosofinya memang.
Jadi yang buatnya ini namanya Bapak Sudarsono arsiteknya. Nah dibuatnya Pintu Gapura tahun 1964. Nah it makes the bronze 42 ya, bronze weight 4 tons and about 22 kilos. 22 ya,
di Jakarta.
to inspire ya from the celebrate of Jakarta. Ya, the birth of Jakarta. Ya, in June ya 22 or 22nd 1527. Tanggalnya ulang tahun Jakarta berapa? 22 Juni tahunnya 1527. Sampai sini ada yang bertanyain? Do you have any question?
The birth of Jakarta. What's the year?
1527. 1527. Jakarta. 1527. Yeah.
Before independence.
And the last month ya, the birth in Jakarta 400 ya, ya 1990 ya 499 ya 499 yes 99. Ada yang bertanyain ya? Dia itu sama kayak ini loh, arsitek yang bangun apa namanya Masjid Istiqlal. Ya, tadinya tuh di Monas ini dibangunnya itu Fredrik Silaban. Ya, tapi Fredrik Silabannya tidak sampai akhir, jadi digantikan sama beliau, Mr. Sudarsono, dan Fredrik Silabannya membangun Masjid Istiqlal. Sampai kita mulai aja ya. Oke. We are the shoot the Merdeka. Merdeka it means the freedom, ya. Two more, ya. And the clap your hand, ya. Oke. Kita mulai ya. 1, 2, 3. Merdeka.
Merdeka.
Tepuk tangan meriah untuk kita semuanya. I want to go downstairs and I will back again. Yeah, don't go anywhere. Okay, thank you.
Ayo berputar 7 kali, Isan.